So this Forest River is equipped with a combination. It's either a deep freeze or a refrigerator for either frozen products or if you want to store stuff extra just to be cooled. It slides out just as the storage, and then on the front side here, there's a power on, and then you can also run the temperature up and down to make it either a freezer or a refrigerator. It's continually plugged in. There's a 110 power amp or power cord that runs into a plug inside here. And you open it up, it's got a ton of storage inside it. It's also lit, but this is your outdoor refrigerator deep freeze area.